Alright, so I'm going to launch another forward test demo on the demo account, which is part of the 100 to 1 million automated trading challenge, which I'm running right now. And this is part of the 5 core strategies, and this is going to be the trending strategy. So this one is another very badly losing strategy. If I show you reports, so look, this one, when reversed, it's losing 11 almost 50% of the account, more than 50% of the account. So we start with test capital of 2000 back test capital. Profit factor 0.40. So if we one second, so profit factor 0.40. So if we do 1 divided by 0.40, sorry, 1, let's do it, 1 divided by 0.40, that gives a profit factor of 2.5, which is good. So we want it to be 1.5 or higher. So balance drawdown is 56, which is not good. However, when reversed, it should be good. I'll show you why. So profitable trades 47%, which means in reverse 53%. So that's good. Average wins is more, average loss is more than the profit, which is $2 here. Average loss, average profit $1. So when I said about the drawdown, basically what's going to happen is, if I show you the report, the trades on the back test, look, this basically is not martingale or grid or anything like that. It just opens one trade at a time and closes it. So basically it should close out at $2.90 basically. Sorry, it should close out about $2 euros, because I've set it to that. Look, if you see here, look, euro, so lost €2 and then profit €1, something like that. But so basically that's why the drawdown is going to be very low, because you're going to have one trade at a time. So any open floating drawdown should be really low. All right, so let's try that. I'm going to try that and see if that really is realistic or matching the back test, what the back test is showing, because I don't know, we'll have to see. The data I'm using here is good quality data as well. I'm using really good quality data, which is I'll show you report. So basically it's using Dukas copy data, 100% data quality, 1 year back test, and this one. So I'm going to see if I can reverse the strategy and see what comes out. So this is on the 1 minute. So this is part of the trending strategy. It's a moving average strategy, but it's losing a lot. Use a 4 MA moving strategy. So this is again free EA from the MQL5 marketplace. So I'm going to save this set file, make it available for any challenge participants. So by the way, this challenge is completely free to join. You can join along and basically replicate my strategies, setups and everything. I'm sharing all the settings and strategies, including this set file, which I'm going to save right now. So I'm just going to create the set file now using my syntax, naming syntax. So profit 0.40, 1602 602 trades. Just pause this video quickly. So alright, so I've just created a set file and made it available for sharing. So basically for each EA, I'm going to put the name of the EA, create a folder. You're going to click on it, and that's the set file here, and it's got a readme file, and inside the readme file I'm going to put the details of the EA, like free, paid, and the link to download it. But this one in particular, you can download it from the MQL marketplace within your MT5 platform. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do this. That way you can easily download this one. Okay, these EAs and set files and stuff like that. I've just got to do this one as well in this sort of similar format. This is the Dark Venus one. All right, so yeah, I'm just going to upload that now on the server, and then attach it, add it to the server, and let's see. I'm going to try this one. So I'm on the VPS server. I'm going to do a search for the EA on the NQ marketplace. I'm just going to the first few digits on the words of the EA. So here it is. If you do a search and then download free, click on download. And once you download, it should appear here on the expert advisors. Now I'm just going to close this marketplace window and open up a chart now. Market watch, open up a new chart. So this is the M1, and right click, time frame 1. I'm going to simply drag this EA, the one that we just downloaded, onto the chart here, and then I've got my set file pasted here on the server. So this is the one that I just created now. I'll load this now and let's see. So if it's got a magic, okay, this one looks like it hasn't got a magic number, so we'll just have to see what it comes up with in the comments. Normally if it has a magic number, I basically put it in my tracker, EA tracker, but this one hasn't got a magic number, so we'll just have to leave it as it is. All right, let's click OK. So that's it. This is ready to go. It's live now on the server. Make sure Algo trading is allowed on the common section, and most importantly, make sure our Algo trading button is there on. So right now we've got two going on, two strategies. This is Dark Venus, but to be honest, Dark Venus is a bit concerned about that one. That hasn't taken any single trade since yesterday. This is on the M1 time frame, but I'm just going to leave it running for a couple of days, see what happens. And this is the new one that we've just added now. So this is the both reversal strategies. So this is the sender account, and then we're going to basically copy any trade that opens up into this copier account here. So whatever opens up in reverse is going to open in this one. All right, so that's it for now for this video, for this update. So we've added another strategy. So we've got scalper, we got trend trading. So we've got 3 more strategies that I want to look at, but obviously depends on how these perform. I might have to replace them, and I'm still going to source for new strategies, even if it's trend and scalpers, and basically add all of them on the demo, see which one sort of works and not, and then we just have to you know, just go with the flow sort of thing, and see whatever's working, we put it on the live account, and that's how we're going to play this one. All right, so that's it for now for this video. So this video was part of the 100 to 1 million automated trading challenge, which I'm running right now to grow a $100 account capital to 1 million with automated trading strategies, and I'm sharing all my action steps step by step, just like this video, and it's completely free to join and register. You can follow along and start your own challenge alongside me, because I'm sharing all the strategies and set files and everything. And like this, for example, this strategy, I'm sharing the set file as well. I'm making it available online, so you can download it for free. So if you go to 100-1m.com, and you can register for free, and I'll also put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.